Peace, family. Help me get ready for my birthday. So, yesterday I celebrated my solar return, March 18th, and I just wanted to do something different to my hair and also wanted to play in some makeup. So, I used pipe cleaners to curl my hair. Shout out to my sister D for putting me on the pipe cleaner curling method. So here I'm just using my pipe cleaner, just twisting the end to leave like a circle so that when it's time to pull them out, it will be easy to get them out of your hair. So as you see, I'm just creating the little ribbon looking design for the pipe cleaners. I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So very inexpensive if you're trying to do a different style with your locks. So this is the first time I ever styled my locks. Usually they're just straight, but like I said, I wanted to try something new, and this style came out so pretty. So watch to the end of the video. It took me about an hour to get these in my hair. I retwisted my hair a day before, so make sure you get a fresh retwist before you curl it if you want your curls to be super defined. Alright, so I use mousse as well to hold my curls. You don't need mousse, you can use water if you want, but I just decided that I wanted my curls to last longer. So while I prepare my face, I prime my face, got ready to do my makeup, did my concealer. The funny thing, I actually asked ChatGPT how to do my makeup because I don't wear makeup, but I gave it a try because I wanted to take some pictures today, and I just wanted my pictures to look amazing. But I will be practicing more makeup. I want to say tutorials, but I'm going to be watching more makeup tutorials. If you guys have any advice, please put some comments below, because I know I did all right, but I wanted it to be a little bit better. Also, I couldn't find a foundation to match my skin tone, so the foundation I got was a little light, but hey, it worked out. So anyway, I'm just doing my eyeshadow. Usually that's all I do. I do my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, eyeliner, little lipstick, but today I decided to go all out. You guys, it took me a whole hour to do my makeup. Like, is this what you guys do every day? Like, oh my God. Put it in the comments. Let me know how long your makeup routine takes. All right, so I moved on and did my eyeliner and just trying to get the best definition from my eyes. I do not wear lashes because the lash glue, I'm so sensitive to any adhesive near my eyes, so I did not wear lashes, and thank God I have my own lashes. Anyway, you guys, I'm just trying to beat my face the best that I can. Like, I feel like I had no idea how to put makeup on, but I'm not gonna lie, I did a great job. So just getting my contour on. I know, don't laugh at me. I know I did not do it right. But like I said, I'm learning. This is my first time. I'm going to keep going. So I got some setting powder. This is from a black-owned company. I do not remember the name. Don't fight me for it. But anyway, just learning the steps of makeup. Makeup is it's like your face is a canvas, and you got all these paintbrushes, and you're just trying to create a masterpiece. So I'm going to most definitely practice more. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Give me some advice on makeup, you guys. Because your girl, I'm a beginner, okay? I just turned 32 and I do not know how to put on makeup. I'm just used to wearing my natural face, skin, whatever. So anyways, you guys, I went in with some lip gloss. It's like purple looking, and I never wore this color before, but I tried it. I made my own rose water to spray on my face for hydration because I do have dry skin. So I was told to use cream-based products, but I could not find a matteless foundation, so I had to go with the matte, and I personally don't like matte on my face, but like I said, the look came out very good. And now I'm taking out my pipe cleaners, and oh my god, y'all, I'm going to be wearing these curls forever. Like, I did not know that I can look this good. Like, my hair, oh my god, I never seen it like this before, and I love it. So I went downtown LA Fashion District. I did some shopping. My friend picked me out some beautiful dresses that I will be taking pictures in soon, and I will show you guys. So I'm just downtown at this moment, getting my strut on, doing my catwalk, feeling myself. You know what I'm saying? Got on my Kanye wet tank top, and I was just feeling so cute and so special. My friend took me to a vegan restaurant. It was super delicious. Everything was so clean and organic, and we took pictures in this restaurant. It was so fun. I had a great time. So this is how I spent my solar return, eating great vegan food. This is spicy tuna vegan sushi, and this is some caramel and coconut cream ice cream. And you know I had to take some bathroom pics. Okay, all right, you guys, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe this video, and stay tuned for more. Peace.